Welcome to OnlineKorp.com. To apply for CRS conversion into XML format, please select CRS from the drop-down menu under Services. Choose the type of report you wish to convert into XML. To assist you in your conversion, let's proceed with the conversion of the CRS account report into XML. You will be required to input as step 1 your details with regard to the reporting jurisdiction and reporting year, as well as information on the reporting financial institution. First, select from the drop-down menu the transmitting country that is reporting for this year. You will then be required to select the receiving country. By default, you will see that the reporting period will be displayed as 31st December 2025. Go on the right corner of the calendar and choose the appropriate date for your reporting. Go on the reporting FI display and input all the relevant information that is related to the financial institution. These would be the financial institution name, the tax identification number, which is also known as the GIN of the financial institution itself, the tax residence country where you will be reporting, and the address and country of your reporting FI. Once all the mandatory fields have been filled in, you can click on Save and Next. You will be displayed to the step 2 of the conversion. Step 2 will involve the account details that you will need to incorporate for your XML conversion. The first information is relevant to your account. The account will be the account that you are using for the institution. You will need to input the account number. From the drop-down menu, you will note that you can input the account number based on your IBAN, your OBAN, your ISIN, your OSIN, or any other number. Please select the appropriate account number type and type the account number next to the field. You will also need to select the appropriate account status for your account. This could be an active account, a closed account, a dormant account, or an undocumented account. Once these details have been input, go on the account balance and payment and input the currency that your account is in. Please select from the drop-down menu the appropriate currency that is relevant to your account. On the next table, input the account balance, which is the mandatory field in this section. Should you not have any details with regard to the interest, dividends, proceeds, or other income of your account, it is not compulsory for you to input these. However, it will be required that you input the account balance. So even if the account balance is nil, please input so. You will also need to input all the relevant details with regard to your account holder. The account holder can be an individual or an organization. You will need to select the appropriate account holder. If you select the individual account holder, you will have to input the name and the date of birth, as well as the address and country of that person. You will also be required to input the tax resident of the individual, including his tax identification number, which is relative to the person, and the tax identification number issuing country. In the event that you have more than one individual holding this account, please click on the Add Account Holder so you can input the relevant details for the second individual. Once completed, click on Save and Continue. Step 3 of the submission will summarize all the information that you've input in your relevant fields. These will be the financial institution information, the account report information, the account holder, and the controlling persons involved with the account. Please ensure that you double check all the data that you've been inputting on the system, as these will be the data that will be generated in your XML report. Once you've double checked all your details, click on the Check This box where you will be agreeing to the disclaimer and privacy policy of OnlineKorp. You can then go to the Save and Next button. The pricing structure for your CRS to the XML conversion will be displayed on this window. This is the final step before you will receive your XML conversion. Select the pricing so that you are able to pay and generate the account. Once you click on Pay and Generate, you will be linked to the payment card details. Please input all your relevant details with regard to the card that you will be using for the payment. Once all the necessary information has been provided, click on the Pay button. After successful payment, you will find the Download button on the top right corner of your screen. Click on the Downloaded button and save a copy of your XML report on your laptop. You're now ready to submit your XML file. Thank you.